guys? Hope you're having a good day. We're over here at Jake's dad's house right now. We're going to head back to his house here in a minute and work on the E46. I'm going to do some more maintenance. Got some new pads and rotors and a wheel stud kit that we're going to throw on there because BMWs have bolts that I don't want to have on there because they're annoying. So we're going to go and do that.
Hey man, this thing's got a Hemi in it. I think I can get her running.
Weird, man.
So this is what BMWs have, which we're going to change that today.
With this BMW, with everything, we need the proper tools, so we're heading into town right now to go grab that because neither one of us ever have the right tools for this thing. Ow, that's hot. Let's go do stuff. Safety first.
Safety farts.
Hey man, did you get the stuff?
I was gonna get long arms because they had like just metric set of long arms, but it went 6, 8, 10, and there's no odd numbers. It was like I need a 7. Thanks for the hustle there, bud.
I don't know if there was an airplane or what, but... Alright, so first things first, let's take these Allen keys out. They are a 6mm Allen, which we've already loosened. And we need to go on the back side here, which you can't probably see, but there's the brackets, and then there's more Allen keys in here. Why, I don't know. And then we can get the caliper off, and then we can take the rotor off.
directions, stuff, words. Basically, red Loctite on here, thread it in, tighten these two nuts together, and torque it using the outside nut. This is actually like super easy, it's just very tedious. Than we thought they were going to be, so they were a bit more difficult to get off. So we ended up just doing the fronts for now. So next time we work on the E46, we're going to do rear brakes and wheel studs on the back. But we got them on the front now, so that's awesome.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, comment something. You know, at least let us know what's going on, if you like it or not. Hey man, get this thing out of here.